In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Intuit QuickBooks Online. Managing your finances effectively is crucial for any business, and QuickBooks offers a streamlined platform to handle your accounting needs effortlessly. By the end of this guide, you'll be familiar with the steps needed to pay for your QuickBooks Online subscription or manage it further. First things first, let's get started by signing in. Head over to the QuickBooks Online website. You'll find the sign in button on the homepage. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a page where you'll see a list of Intuit services. Since we're focusing on QuickBooks today, make sure to choose QuickBooks Online from the list. Selecting this option ensures you're directed to the right portal. Once you're on the QuickBooks sign-in page, it's time to enter your credentials. Type in your email and password associated with your QuickBooks account. If you're using a private device, you might want to tick Remember Me to save your credentials for faster access next time. After entering your details, click on Continue. This step will grant you access to your account if your credentials are correct. Now that you're logged in, go to the upper right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard and look for the gear icon, which represents Settings. Clicking on it will open up a drop-down menu containing various options to customize your QuickBooks experience. In this menu, look for the option called Subscriptions and Billing. This is where you'll manage everything related to your plan. It might be labeled differently depending on updates, but typically it's consistently named. Upon clicking Subscriptions and Billing, you'll be directed to a page displaying your current plan details. Here you can see the specifics of your subscription, including billing dates and the amount due. If you're ready to pay, look for the payment section where you can enter your payment information. Make sure you have your credit card or bank details handy to complete this transaction without delay. Additionally, this page allows for flexibility with your plan. If you're thinking of upgrading to access more features, you can explore various plans and choose one that best suits your needs. Conversely, if you find that the full package is more than you need, you can also consider downgrading your subscription. There's even an option to cancel your plan if necessary, but remember to evaluate if this is the best choice for your business requirements. Once you've made any changes, ensure that you save your settings to avoid any disruption to your service. That covers the essential steps for paying and managing your subscription on QuickBooks Online. Keep in mind that timely updates to your subscription ensure uninterrupted service, facilitating seamless accounting for your business. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.